Hey YouTube, Wagwan, welcome back to the channel. So today we're gonna go ahead and change our oil and filter. So we're gonna do an oil change in this VW, our Volkswagen CC. So it's gonna be the same for most of the Volkswagen cars with the 2.0. So first thing first, we want to get and open the hood. So you want to pull it from inside first, then come around here, squeeze this right here. So I'm gonna squeeze this right here, and that will open the hood like that. Once you squeeze it, it will open the hood like that. So once that's done, guys, you want to get down to let's get down to business. So right here is your oil filter, right here is your oil cap and the oil it used. So as you can see, it recommend castor oil, so I'm gonna use castor oil edge, and the weight is 5W40, so that's what I'm gonna use also. So let's get started. So guys, what you want to do is jack up the side of the car that have the engine, which gonna be on the right side. Put a jack stand under there in case the jack fail. With that said, we have to get underneath the car to loosen the, we gotta go underneath the car to take out the drain plug, which is located right here. So that's what I'm gonna do. So guys, next we're underneath the car. This is our drain plug. I have an oil catch can. This right here is 19mm. Some car use an X bit, some use 9, some use 18, some use 19. Just find whichever one your car have, and then we'll just go ahead and take it loose just like that. And you want to set the oil catch pan so you guys don't make a mess. So just go ahead and let that drain, and while it's draining, we're gonna go up top and remove the filter as well. And also you want to check this washer. If it's bad, change it. If it's okay to reuse again, you can just reuse it and replace it on the next one. You don't have to replace the washer every time you change your oil. So there goes the lunch truck. So there goes the lunch truck making all that noise. So let the oil drain. We're gonna go on top. Draining, we're gonna get this. Link will be in the description, and you want to go counterclockwise. Counterclockwise, and it will take out the filter just like that. So this is one of the easiest oil change to do because the filter is right there, not in a compromising position where you gotta sacrifice some blood to get to. But yeah, so just want to unscrew the filter. You can take the hose off from there. You can lift this up if you want more room. So there you go, that's the filter. I'm gonna go ahead and put it. So guys, we have our filter right here. Go ahead and remove that. So what you can do is get some of the oil from here and just rub it on the the rubber, and the reason why you want to rub it on the rubber is to get a proper seat, so the rubber, to get a proper seal, so the rubber can slip while you turn in the thing, so the rubber don't stuck to that, so you get a proper seal when you do when you do it that way. Go ahead, lift this back up, make sure you set your filter straight. Go ahead, run it down. So you want to turn it till the filter rubber get in contact with the surface. Once you get in contact with the surface, you try to make a full turn or 3/4 of a turn. So you make 3/4 of a turn to a full turn. So once you do that, time to go back underneath the vehicle. So guys, what I did, I lower back the vehicle down a little bit, since I know I jack it up, so it's gonna be at a handle. So I just lower the vehicle down a little bit more and let the oil drain out, and once the oil drain out, I'm gonna jack it up some more. So once that's done, go ahead, put back your drain plug and tighten it up. So guys, you don't want to over tighten this, just tighten it, just let it be snug but not too loose. So use your head and not your muscle to tighten it up. So guys, just spray this down a little bit. That's it, spray that down. So that's done. The oil filter is done and tight. So the next thing we got to do is add oil to the system. So the amount of quart it take is oh, that's tight. The oil it take is 5W40, and the amount is 4.9 quart. I say it's tight, not remembering that I already take it loose. So this step, you want to get the car lowered. Make sure the car is lowered so you can get a level reading of the oil. So I have my 5W40 right here, full synthetic. So you want to put almost the whole thing, not the whole thing. You want to put a little bit first, maybe like 5, like 4 something. Alright, thanks. So you want to put almost the whole thing in it. And on turbo engine, you don't want to start the car and rev it out. You just want to start it and let it idle for a few seconds or a minute until the oil life until the oil life turn off. So let's go ahead and start the car. So the oil life is off, the oil light is off. Now you could take the opportunity to reset your service, but because this is an older car, have 140 something miles, you can scroll down to service using these buttons right here. Press OK. I'm gonna go to info. I have 6,400 miles left to service, so I'm not gonna reset this because this is an older car with so many miles on it. I want to see, you have 114,000 miles, so I wanted to start changing it every 5,000 because Volkswagen recommend every 10,000. So now I start doing it every 5,000. So guys, the next step is to let the car sit for 3 minutes so all the oil can drain down back in the oil pan, and then we can go ahead and check it and see if it need any oil. So we're gonna wait for 3 minutes. Well, I'm gonna wait for 3 minutes, not you. See you back. So I'm just showing you this as a reference so you can see it's not supposed to be, if it's under here that means it need oil. If it's over here you have too much, it got to be in here. So try to get it like right here, you got to try to get it. All right, so with that said guys, please go ahead, like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel. Peace out, see you next time.